Okay, so I made $60,000 with one single YouTube channel, and I think it's like 7 months. Let's see, 123 minus 456 to 7,899 months. In the span of 9 months, I've made $60,000 with one channel where I don't even show my face, I don't edit the videos or anything. And I'm going to show you basically more what I do. So if we go back to July, first month of monetization, 1.4K, 3.8K, 4.4K, 6K, 8K, 7K, 6K, 7K, and then in March 10K. So basically what I do. And also I'm going to go back to lifetime again just so you can see almost 60K, 11.7 million views, and yeah, basically. And also one thing, before I even do anything, I need to show you guys my currency because I get comments about that sometimes. Because if you didn't know, like if you change your currency, I don't even know what currency it is, but if you change it to some currency, it will look like you're making way more than you're actually making. So I just want to make sure you guys know this is legit. I can't, move around like this. So yeah, I'm at 60K. So how did I do it? Well, I'm going to show you a couple YouTube channels that are that kind of explains what I do. Okay, so what I do is called YouTube, like, I don't know, YouTube Automation, YouTube Faceless, not really sure, there's many names for it. But basically what I do is I pretty much find kind of gaps in the market, whatever you want to call it. I find YouTube channels that are seeing success within a couple of months. And then I jump on a trend, make videos about it and build a brand, build a YouTube channel around it pretty much. And I don't show my face, use my voice or anything. I don't even edit the videos because I pay freelancers. I pay others to do it for me. Though, I got to say, if you don't have money, you can just edit yourself. That's what I did when I started out. I made the videos myself. I'm going to show you now. These channels, it's super easy to make the videos for yourself. It's just basically cutting out footage, having a voiceover that you can have with AI and everything. So it's super simple. Even though it is simple, it's still not easy to make money online. I still want to make that clear. I'm not one of the other guests that's going to say it's easy because it's not easy to make money. Not on YouTube, it's not. It's going to take hard work. It's going to take time. And yeah, and before I go over some channels I have for you, I have a community that you can join that. For example, I have a free course, not free but I have a full course where I basically show you everything about YouTube and so on. Like basically everything you need. I also have a step-by-step where I do everything live from scratch so there shouldn't be any unanswered questions. I also have some templates and like prompts resources I have here where I update almost. I was going to say daily but not daily. I update weekly, basically just new niches and stuff you could learn from and jump on. So I'm going to have that in the description if you want to check it out. If you don't want to join it, you don't have to. It's just for I get a lot of questions about YouTube and people want to get help from me personally and that's where you want to go. But again, you don't need this community. You can make it on your own. Just saying if you want it, it's there, right? So yeah, here's a good example. This channel has 22 videos only they started 6 months ago and we have some because they're most popular videos. 2 months ago, 3 million views. 1 month we got 2.5 million views. For 1 month we got 800,000 views and they only have 22 videos and this guy's printing money. We can check out this video as well. It's basically footage. I got to say this guy's videos are pretty good compared to other videos I'm going to show you, but it's basically is using existing footage and adding some voiceover and explanation to it. And yeah. So let's see how much Jiska's making. We can go to analytics. This tool is called Next Level. I use it. I show it in all of my videos. So if you watch my videos, I always use Next Level. You can get it 2 weeks free if you check it out in the description. Let's see how much Jiska is making around 7K last 30 days, which is again really good. Only 22 videos as well, so last 20 days, 4 million views. I think this is it's only long form, okay, no shorts, low RPM. But still he gets insane views, so he still makes good money. And here we can see basically all the information about the channel. So what I would do I look for channels like this and if you don't know how to find channels like this, I made videos about that in the past. So just check those out and how to find niches, but I just look for channels that have low subscribers and are getting very high views and channels that started recently and that basically if they fit those criterias, they are pretty much a golden niche. I mean, there's more things that go to it, you need to do competitor research and so on. But I basically just look for up and coming YouTube channels and then I'll jump on the train basically. So here we have another channel, Animal Quest started 9 months ago, but if you go through the most popular videos, they have videos from only like a couple of months ago. 1 month ago, 700K views. They have these AI thumbnails and we can go to one of their videos. Imagine standing at the edge of a sparkling pool, the cheers of a packed crowd. So yeah, footage voiceover, just, to have clips voiceover, super simple, super easy videos to make. That's why I recommend you, learning to edit yourself. If you don't want to learn how to edit like this is so like a simple editing. If you don't want to learn this, you should ask yourself, do you really deserve to make like 5 to 10 kilo amperes month? I don't know this again, it's hard, it's not easy, so you need to, it's going to take work. So we can go to analytics for this one as well and see how much he's making. Channel revenue 14K, 1.9 million views, $7 RPM. So as you can see, this guy's printing money just making like animal videos. And you may be asking yourself who watches these videos? Trust me, sometimes ask the same. There's more insane niches than this. This is like nothing compared to what's actually out there. But yeah, man, this is what the power of YouTube. This is the power of YouTube. So insane channel. Next channel I want to show you is On the Verge. This is a channel where they make videos about caving, like caving documentaries, accidents and so on. If you've got your most popular videos, 3 months ago, almost 1 million views. 1 month ago, 900k views almost. So as you can see, this guy's getting insane views to about 6 million views last 28 days. This guy's making today's video actually good videos. 2 horrifying caving stories. This is good editing. So if you're a beginner with editing, Disney's probably isn't for you. So yeah, continue to push and pull and let's check out this analytics as well. So now hopefully have some type of idea on what type of YouTube business I'm in. I find channels that are up and coming and that have a good lucky long-term potential. And then I do kind of do the same. By the way, my own twist, you can't just copy fully. You can take the same format, but you need to add a twist to it or just make better videos. So it's not as easy as taking, oh, this channel is doing good, I'm going to make the exact same. That's not how it works. It's not that easy. So, but you get the point. So here also we have one more channel. It's called Who Died Today, USA Most Popular Videos. And it's basically just American legends who died today. Like American legends? Yeah, it's literally just American legends and singers, stars. Super easy videos to make. Let's check it out. Welcome back to Who Died Today USA channel. Right off the bat, just an AI voice in the past few, shitty background music, everything. You can make so much better videos than this. He was a devoted father, mentor, and philanthropist, and his influence continues to inspire countless individuals. Ring as an entrepreneur. Yeah, so we get the points. Rip yours Foreman, by the way, so you get the points. Let's see the views. 1.2 million, really good. Essentially what you should look for. It's around 600, 500, 600k depending on RPMs, but 5 to 600k to 1 million plus a month views. So if you go to analytics, let's see how much they're making. Okay, let me refresh this, let's see if it works now. Okay, let's see 5k super good 1.2 million views, 5.4 RPM. There's all the information about this channel's super easy videos to make. This guy's making 5 kilo amperes month just by doing this just from one channel, which is insane. That's the power of YouTube. So again, if you want to learn this, I have a community link below and yeah, we can check out some of the testimonials. Why not from people in the group? This guy got monetized, shout out Sammy made this guy's going crazy, got monetized in 3 weeks this guy, so yeah 10 million views. This guy got monetized, this guy started to make some money. As you can see, Ismail applied for monetization. So yeah, you get the point. So if you want to learn, you can check it out in description. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.